I talk to dealers every single day, and the one question that all of them have is how can I get more leads from my dealership's website? We're here today talking CTAs and conversion tools, specifically how you can use a soft credit pull to convert website visitors into leads and engage them in shopping experiences at your dealership. Credit Score Express is a technology that utilizes the ability for a customer to get their real FICO score just by providing their name and address. It is a soft credit pull. They do not have to use their social security number or their date of birth, and they are going to get their real FICO score. It's not going to be a Vantage score. It's not going to be an inflated credit score. It is going to be their real FICO score, and they're going to be able to get it within just a few seconds right on your dealership's website. Now, we're going to use multiple call to action buttons and banners on your dealership website to get the customer started in the process of getting their free credit score and converting that customer to a lead and getting that lead into your dealership CRM. Let's take a look in exactly how you can use Credit Score Express to get more leads from your dealership's website. So we're going to take a look at enticedemo.com. This is our faux dealership website with our live technology installed on it. So as soon as I scroll up, one of the things that you're going to notice is our animated Credit Score Express banner. This banner is animated, so it's going to catch the customer's attention, and it's going to let the customer know that they're going to be able to get a free credit score without providing their social security number or their date of birth. Now, what's cool about this banner is when I click on it, it's actually going to open up the Credit Score Express technology right on the page that this banner is on. So in this case, we have it on the home page. It's going to open up the Credit Score Express technology right here, allowing the customer to go into the process and get their free credit score. Now, we also are going to take this banner and we're going to put this on the top of an SRP if you would like to have it there. It's recommended for customers when they're ready, they can just jump right in here and get their free credit score, start the process of being able to get the financing they need to purchase a vehicle from you. Also, right on the SRP listing, we're going to include a free credit score button. Now, this is part of our button block that includes buttons for all of our technologies, but we can also just include one of these buttons on your dealership's website if you choose. Now, again, as soon as the customer clicks that button, it's going to open up the Credit Score Express technology right on the page that the customer's on. This is going to happen the same way in mobile as it does in desktop, allowing the customer to have that great user experience no matter wherever they are shopping from. Now, we also can take this technology and embed it on a special page on your dealership's website. So as you see right here, we have a special page that's accessible from a menu that's going to bring the customer right into the Credit Score Express technology. Now, we also utilize a video to educate the customer a little bit more about what a FICO score is, why it's important, and why they should enter their information and get their credit score. Let's just go ahead and take a minute and watch this video.
Checking your credit should be fast and easy. Say hello to Credit Score Express. FICO scores are used in 90% of all lending decisions, so a FICO score is a pretty accurate reflection of your credit worthiness. Credit scores are calculated using computer programs known as scoring models. Scoring models perform sophisticated statistical analysis on the contents of your credit report. Credit Score Express uses a soft credit pull, which never impacts your credit or shows as an inquiry. To get your FICO score range, just tell us about yourself. No social security number or date of birth needed. And in seconds, Credit Score Express will provide your personal FICO score range. Plus, you can get pre-qualified instantly. And we'll send your credit score and pre-qualification certificate right to your email. Optionally, you can complete an Express Credit application. Our professional financial services team will review your application and provide you with a pre-qualification status in just minutes. Checking your credit score and getting pre-qualified for a car loan should be fast and easy. And with Credit Score Express, it is.
All right, so as you can see with that entire user interface right there, everything is in a OEM themed color. We utilize a special video per OEM, so it's going to feature the illustrations of vehicles from the dealership that you represent, and it's really going to match very nicely right on your dealership's website. Now, all the customer needs to do, as you can see right down here, is that they just need to put in their first name, last name, and physical address. The email and phone number isn't necessary to get the free credit score, but it is necessary to convert this customer into a lead, so we include that from the customer. You can customize this. You can customize the message that is showing right there in the header or down there in the button. That's all customizable. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that button right there, and then we're going to do a full credit pull right at that point. Now you can see here this customer has a credit score of 716. Now we're actually going to just show this customer in a range 706 to 726, but the score is right there in the middle at 716. And we give this customer a pre-qualification certificate. This pre-qualification certificate is going to be customized with their status, the expiration date, the dealership name, your dealership phone number, and an amount. You, the dealer, gets to choose what amount you want to have set up and for what credit score range to be considered a qualified customer. Now, we're not going to tell the customer that they are not qualified if they don't reach that threshold. We're just going to let them know that the pre-qualification is pending, and then somebody at the dealership is going to reach out to you or to the customer and collect more information. So this is a perfect opportunity to find out what their equity situation is, what their job situation is, maybe if they have a co-signer. So you're going to be able to engage that customer. So again, we're never going to tell the customer that they're not qualified. They're either going to be pending or they are going to be pre-qualified. Now, as we get back into this user interface right here, now the customer has the ability to complete a full credit application that will be integrated either to Route 1 or to your Dealertrack system. It's your choice where that application is going to go, but the customer can complete that in the user experience as a second step. Now, this is just an optional value-added feature that's available in Credit Score Express. The main goal is we're converting that customer into a lead. And as soon as that customer does that first step, we're going to send that lead directly to your dealership's CRM and then give the customer the opportunity to complete the second part. Now, if I skip the credit application, I can go right to my pre-qualification certificate. Now, the customer is going to receive this pre-qualification certificate in an email directly to their email that they entered in, and they're going to be able to print this off and bring it into the dealership. We do have a fully customized disclosure so that you can change the disclosure to fit your dealership needs, but we do have some nice default disclosures in place for you to be able to do this. So, CTAs and conversion tools, like I said at the beginning of this video, I get questioned all the time by dealers, how can I get more leads from my dealership website? One way to do that is by utilizing a soft credit pull technology. Our solution for this is Credit Score Express. We can use any of the 3 bureaus for that FICO score. You can choose to just get the credit score, or if you want, you can get the full customer's bureau right in your CRM. So that's an available feature. And again, customer can complete a full credit application that will be integrated with your Dealertrack or your Route 1 system. It's going to include that special customized button that can be put on your SRP listing, your VDP if you want. We have our animated banner that'll open up the user interface right in on the page that the customer's on, and we can install that separate page on your dealership's website that's going to be accessible from a menu item, or you can even use use that as a landing page to any digital marketing that you might want to do. We have a really cool Facebook ad set that we will give you that you can run with your Facebook agency or run it yourself to drive customers into the Credit Score Express technology right in Facebook. I appreciate your time watching one of our videos. You're going to find this video plus many others at entice.com.